Here's a powerful concept I learned a while back. Speak about what you believe in, and never be sorry for it. When I started in this business, I was very timid. I was scared to do video, scared to say what I think, and I was afraid I might offend people. As time went on, I started noticing that the people I was interested in always say what they think and believe in. I call this speaking your religion. Don't be afraid to say what you truly think or believe in when it comes to your business or your passion. I will promise you that you will never please everyone, and you will have more people who don't like you than people who do. This is a good thing. You want to repel people who are not like-minded, don't resonate with you, and who you would never want to do business with or personally talk to. For example, I'm allergic to lazy. Of course, this is going to offend lazy people because they don't want to admit they're lazy. But I'm never going to be a guy they like anyways. I care about helping and resonating with people who truly want to change their life and their business, whether they ever buy anything from me or not. I get people who message me every day asking me what to do, and when I tell them the truth, I can tell they're no longer interested, and then they head off to work with someone who promises them hopes and dreams while delivering nothing. I'm not that guy, nor will I ever be the guy selling smoke and mirrors, so I purposely repel those people. I've built several businesses over the last few years, and I built several of them the wrong way, by taking on anyone who would give me $1. By working with anyone who would hand me money, I was becoming depressed and more miserable than when I had a job. I'm more happy now than ever, because I pick who I want to work with, I charge premium prices, and I attract people who think just like I do. And I would even enjoy meeting them in person. Don't be afraid to speak truthfully about what you are truly passionate about and believe in, as long as you have good intentions. Obviously, don't start bashing people, saying mean things and outright trying to offend people, because that's just wrong. By having the courage to talk about what you believe in, and standing for something, which most people don't do, you will attract your core group of people who love you. Part of building a brand, and building your business, via social media, is speaking directly and honestly to a person that you care about helping. You don't concern yourself with the people who don't like you. Only focus on the people who resonate with your vision and think like you. Want to see more videos like this one? Click the subscribe button or the bell notification button below.